2020. What a year. For a while, I thought this was going to be my last trip of the year for me due to COVID-19. I had a big out west trip planned with my boyfriend's family that we had to cancel, and I was really thinking I wouldn't be able to travel until the late fall, maybe even into winter. But I then realized you just have to adapt. Planning long drawn out trips right now just isn't a good idea, so why not do short adventurous ones? Fast forward to the summer solstice of 2020. My dad and I decided we were going to do the Michigan Great Lakes Challenge this year, which is when you do all 4 touching Great Lakes between sunrise and sunset on the longest day of the year. We had lovely weather for almost a whole day until we got to the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. The water was freezing, but our will to complete the challenge kept us going to the frigid lakes.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through, and every step quicker than the last. My feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes, I'm sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep pushing through. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground.
Our next mini trip was West Virginia, social distancing style, due to the cases of COVID-19 increasing throughout the nation. We did an overnight backpack up the 6-mile Huckleberry Trail to the top of the very windy Spruce Knob, just in time for a dramatic sunset. Once the light faded, we saw millions on millions of stars, including the galactic core of the Milky Way. We then woke up to a beautiful and still extremely windy sunrise, with orange fog being blown up the side of the mountain face. And well, at this point the rest of the video speaks for itself.
The sun beats down and it burns, but I keep on pushing through. Yeah, I get up. shoot me down soon. Pacing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Got that on GoPro?
Sunrise.